Tehillim 3.
A Psalm by David.
When he fled from Avshalom his son. Yahuwah, how my adversaries have increased. Many are those who rise up against me. Many there are who say of my soul, there is no help for him in Elohim. Selah. But you, Yahuwah, are a shield around me, my glory, and the one who lifts up my head. I cry to Yahuwah with my voice, and he answers me out of his holy hill. Selah. I laid myself down and slept. I awakened, for Yahuwah sustains me. I will not be afraid of tens of thousands of people who have set themselves against me on every side. Arise, Yahuwah, save me, my Elohim, for you have struck all of my enemies on the cheekbone. You have broken the teeth of the wicked. Yeshua belongs to Yahuwah. Your blessing be on your people. Selah.